In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create horizontal scrolling images in Squarespace. This is a great way to add a dynamic and visually appealing element to your web pages. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account. Once you're in, navigate to your Squarespace website editor. This is where the magic begins, and you'll have access to all the tools you need to customize your site. Start by identifying the page or the section where you'd like to add horizontal scrolling images. It's crucial to pick a spot that will enhance the overall flow and aesthetic of your website. Once you've decided, click on the Add Section button. This option allows you to insert new content into your page. With the section added, the next step is to select Images. This choice sets the stage for creating a visually engaging gallery. It organizes your images in a cohesive way, making them easy to interact with. After selecting images, your next step is to choose a gallery view. Squarespace offers multiple gallery view options, and it's important to go with one that aligns with the style and functionality you're aiming for. For horizontal scrolling, a linear or side-by-side layout could be ideal. Now that your gallery view is set, click on Edit section to fine-tune your image's presentation. This customization step gives you control over how your images are displayed, from sizing to alignment, ensuring they look perfect on your site. Next, find and click on the Gallery Type drop-down arrow. This will reveal a list of gallery formatting styles. For a sleek and straightforward horizontal scrolling effect, choose Slideshow Simple. This setting allows your images to glide smoothly across the screen. To further enhance the viewer experience, toggle the Thumbnails switch. Enabling thumbnails provides a visual reference for users to see which images are included, making navigation through your gallery intuitive and user-friendly. Ensure you also consider enabling the autoplay feature by toggling its respective switch. This setting automatically transitions through your images, giving your site a dynamic and lively look without the viewer needing to manually click through each image. Once you're happy with the setup and customization, it's time to save your work. Click the Save button to commit your changes. Saving ensures that all the hard work you've put into setting up the gallery is preserved and visible to anyone visiting your site. And there you have it. You've successfully created a horizontal scrolling image gallery in Squarespace. This feature not only enhances the visual storytelling of your site, but also elevates the user experience by providing an interactive element. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more Squarespace tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!